Checking in, new video on the 25 Si. This car is phenomenal out of the box so far. Definitely happy with the new features. Just doing a quick check-in, just picked up the car this morning, kind of going through a little of my own initial break-in on the car. Now, really with newer cars, break-in's not really necessary. However, I like to do a good 600-mile break-in, not too rough with it, varying RPMs, try to be nice to the brakes and the clutch. Really just try to give it a smoother yet aggressive break-in, but not too aggressive. Now, I'm gonna kickstart the channel. Had some shorts posted initially, just kind of playing with YouTube over the years of my 2022 Si, also in platinum white pearl. I got another platinum white pearl, but in the revised 2025 model. Now, the cool thing about this model is they finally added the full digital gauge cluster. This car's yelling at me, so we'll shut some of that stuff off. All the safety features, I like to yell at you. It added the heated seats, the front fascia's revised, tinted tail lights. They added a lot of nice little things. Built-in Google with Wi-Fi in the car, which is nice to have. Lots of good updates. So I just want to do a quick check-in video. There'll be plenty more videos after this, going over the car a little more when I have the time. But nonetheless, excited for the car, excited for the future ahead. Maybe at some point we'll get into some light modifications to start, drivability. We'll do some longer term testing with mileage after some time. But nonetheless, really excited with it so far. It's been great. Got this car under MSRP, which is pretty hard to do, but hey, I'll take it for what it is. Good dealership I deal with, Great Lakes Honda here in Ohio. Phenomenal folks up there. They did me a swell job on this car. So again, we'll check in again. We'll do a good walk around with features, but the big thing is that gauge cluster is phenomenal. Big deal there. That's a big deal. Lots of good menus, just like the prior, versions that this car had, but being able to actually customize the gauges and have the shift lights is a sweet thing. So just some added features. It's revised, it's a little better, the chassis stiffer. So we're on to some good progress with this chassis. Honda's doing well. Could have been some things, other things they could have changed I might have been happier with, but nonetheless, they make a pretty swell overall car. Now, we'll do some driving videos, more POVs. I'm excited for some future content. So, in the meantime, throw me a like if you'd like. Throw me some comments if you have any questions about the revision. Again, more content to come. I'm excited, especially kicking off my channel, really trying to throw a little more effort at it to see where it takes me. So nonetheless, we'll talk soon. Have a great holiday Labor Day weekend. The car's yelling at me again nonetheless. It says, hey, pay attention. We'll talk again. Thanks.